ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இன்றைக்கி ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் மற்றும் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாமுக்கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் எம்சிக்யூ பார்ட் 10 வீடியோ பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், which neurotransmitter system is affected by the drug of choice for major depressive disorder? Option A, histamine. Option B, epinephrine. Option C, serotonin. Option D, acetylcholine. Answer option C, serotonin. Second question, 30% burn patient isolation. What precaution has to take? Option A, isolate. Option B, airborne. Option C, protect. Option D, droplet. Answer option C, protect. Third question, what is the first organ to form in a developing fetus? Option A, liver. Option B, brain. Option C, lungs. Option D, heart. Answer option D, heart. Fourth question, the oxygen cylinder color code in India is? Option A, light blue. Option B, black. Option C, black body and white shoulder. Option D, green body and white shoulder. Answer option C, black body and white shoulder. Fifth question, Brown's baby syndrome is a rare complication of? Option A, phototherapy. Option B, chemotherapy. Option C, blood transfusion. Option D, radiation therapy. Answer option A, phototherapy. Sixth question, a child is scheduled for a tonsillectomy which should present the highest risk of aspiration during surgery. Option A, exudate in the throat area. Option B, bleeding during surgery. Option C, the presence of loose teeth. Option D, difficulty swallowing. Answer option C, the presence of loose teeth. Seventh question, golden color of amniotic fluid is seen in? Option A, intrauterine death. Option B, fetal distress. Option C, post maturity. Option D, RH incompatibility. Answer option D, RH incompatibility. Eighth question, after the membrane structure, what is the priority assessment for the nurse? Option A, fetal heart rate. Option B, blood pressure. Option C, pelvic exam. Option D, presentation. Answer option A, fetal heart rate. Ninth question, the nurse is caring for a client with a diagnosis of pemphigus vulgaris. On assessment of the client, the nurse should look for which sign characteristics of this condition? Option A, Trousseau sign. Option B, Turner sign. Option C, Chouteg sign. Option D, Nikolsky sign. Answer option D, Nikolsky sign. 10th question, the nurse is preparing to administer atenolol to a client. The nurse should check which priority item before administering the medication? Option A, blood glucose level. Option B, blood pressure. Option C, potassium level. Option D, temperature. Answer option B, blood pressure. 11th question, which of the following is negative symptom of schizophrenia? Option A, hallucination. Option B, anhedonia. Option C, clang association. Option D, delusion. Answer option B, anhedonia. 12th question, which of the following is an absolute contraindication to IUD insertion? Option A, HIV positive status. Option B, history of previous PID, that means pelvic inflammatory disease. Option C, unexplained vaginal bleeding. Option D, previous ectopic pregnancy. Answer option C, unexplained vaginal bleeding. 13th question. A male had a vasectomy 1 month ago. Even after the procedure, his wife is now pregnant. What advice should have been given? Option A, use condom for 3 months. Option B, abstinence for 3 months. Option C, 1 month hormonal contraceptive for men. Option D, OCP for 1 month for wife. Answer option A, use condom for 3 months. 14th question. Identify the image. Option A, ovum forceps. Option B, bone curette. Option C, biopsy forceps. Option D, screw drive. Answer option B, bone curette. 15th question. The average Hb content of human blood is? Option A, 8 to 10 gram per dl. Option B, 14 to 16 gram per dl. Option C, 18 to 23 gram per dl. Option D, 16 to 20 gram per dl. Answer option B, 14 to 16 gram per dl. 16th question. Identify the bone shown in the image. Option A, chest bone. Option B, thigh bone. Option C, vertebral column. Option D, rib cage. Answer option C, vertebral column. 17th question. Identify the instrument shown in the image. Option A, direct ophthalmoscope. Option B, indirect ophthalmoscope. Option C, retinoscope. Option D, slit lamp. Answer option D, slit lamp. 18th question. What is the full form of LAMA? Option A, leave and medications advice. Option B, leave against medicine agent. Option C, leave against medical advice. Option D, none. Answer option C, leave against medical advice. 19th question. Omphalitis is the infection of dash in newborn children. Option A, pharynx. Option B, eyes. Option C, umbilical cord. Option D, ears. Answer option C, umbilical cord. 20th question. Which of the following is not a screening examination for breast cancer? Option A, breast biopsy. Option B, breast imaging. Option C, intravenous pyelography. Option D, clinical breast examination. Answer option C, intravenous pyelography.
Friends, இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க,